Okay, so now I'm going to show the entire world why I denounce my US citizenship and why my life is threatened and my life is threatened, then what shall we do with the liberty? When the life is threatened, then there's no liberty, there's no happiness. Okay, so I go to the Will County Circuit Court in Joliet, Illinois, to uh, defend, actually to prosecute my other protection against my wife. But there's a very important point that I want to get to over here. What was going on concerning my legal battle in the USA, that all its courts are illegal, unconstitutional, so-called courts. You cannot call them courts of law. You could call them courts of tennis, courts of basketball, or any kind of courts. But when it comes to the law, no, they are not courts of law. As I have stated to channel MTV3, TV station MTV3 in Helsinki, when I was in Helsinki, Finland, when I was in Metsälä reception center when they came for interview. I know that my cousins sent them, but anyhow, I stated that the USA is one of the most corrupt, if it's not the most corrupted government in the world, the US government, well, would be, then it is one of the most corrupted governments in the entire world, and I will settle my case on the untampered record of my cases in all the courts, all the way to the Supreme Court of the United States. And welcome to the USA. Well, this is the reality. This is the true face of the USA and its judicial system, or its government in general. Anyhow, you get what you pay for in the USA. You pay with your life, that's what you get. You pay, you want to be slave, go to the USA and be slave, and you get a few bucks. Why not? Well, if you want to sell your humanity to evil people, then that's your choice. Anyhow, at the same time, I want to go back to my case against America Online. My case against America Online now was filed in Virginia, in a different state, and the lawyer was representing me in that case, Mr. Ashraf Nubani, in Virginia, and we see that he did not appear in court. The court record shows that he did not appear on court, but who appeared on court? His partner, what's his name? Mr. David M. Clowder. Mr. Mr. David M. Clowder, what he did according to what the United States government wanted him to do. The USA government don't want the case to go through, to go ahead and have a jury trial on that case. So they wanted to stop it by any means necessary. And the first thing was attempt on my life when they raided my house that I talked about. And then there was, that didn't work out. It's not my muscles, but it's by Allah's will that Allah says, يَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. They plan, and Allah plans, and Allah is the best of those who plan. And Allah planned was that I and my family be protected from that cowardly, illegal raid by the United States government against me and my family. So what they wanted to do, they wanted to stop that case by any means necessary. Then they put pressure on my lawyer, and he withdrew from the case. Not just that. You see in the docket of the first time when the case was filed, Nama versus AOL, Case number was CA011342A. This case is available online on the internet when you Google my name, Saad Nawar, or Nawar versus AOL. So that was the case number. But the USA didn't want that case to go through, so there was a pressure on the attorneys. Not a pressure, they don't need much pressure, just that FBI tell him withdraw from that case, or do just anything sideways, And what he did, he dismissed the case. Imagine, he dismissed the case without my approval. How could he dismiss the case? Another thing, and not just that, he dismissed the case, he withdrew from the case and dismissed it. Well, if he withdraw from the case, then he has no right to dismiss that case. And if he goes and dismiss that case, why should he withdraw? So that's what the United States government wanted that law office to do. It's I think the law office of Hicks, Hadid, Irving, and Becker, PC 5501, Backlick Road, Suite 220, Springfield, Virginia 22151. Phone number is 703-256-1300.